So this fan was super easy to install. It has a bracket. I put it in a stud and slid the fan on. I needed it to be in this corner of the room because I wanted to catch the air from that vent here. You have two strings here, which I wish was a little closer, but it's in my kids' room, so they're not going to really be adjusting it. But this one here, which I guess is the fan's right, but my left, this one is to stop it from rotating. So you can see here. And that's kind of nice since I'm not really able to reach up here without a step stool. And then this string, which is on the fan's left, my right, is to toggle. Sorry, it's hitting this Lego set here, but it's to toggle that dial setting. So different speeds and all the way off. So I'm satisfied. Like I said, I just needed a fan to kind of reach these bunk beds on my kids' side of the room and catch the air conditioner, and it works really well. So I give it a 5 out of 5 as long as it doesn't die. So the cord is not long, so it is hooked to an extension cord. My nearest outlet is right there, but I had it going behind the boy's bed. But other than the cord being short and needing an extension cord, 5 out of 5 as long as it doesn't die. Works great.
Okay, so this fan seems really awesome. People complained about the noise of the beeping when you use the remote. To me, it doesn't seem very loud. Maybe they're just light sleepers, I don't know. But the only thing that I have, the only problem I found is, I don't know if it will, let's see if I can make it, there we go. The low, medium, and high is backwards. Like, let me turn it on. It says it's on high, you can see that. I don't know if you can hear the fan, but then I'm going to change it to medium. And it's blowing harder. And then I'm going to change it to what says low. And it's blowing the hardest. So for me, it's not a deal breaker, it's not a problem at all. Because I'm just going to put it on my setting and leave it. But just be aware that it may be backwards when you get yours.
This is the Comfort Zone wall-mounted fan. Going to turn it on manually, on button. Works well. Has a 6-foot cord. It could come with at least a 7-foot cord would be my only suggestion. I put an extension cord on mine because to get this over someone's head that's about 5'10" so they don't bump into it, you're going to need a longer power cord. Airflow is great. When you use the remote, hit oscillation, and this is about the speed that it oscillates. But it's really, really good airflow. It's not that quiet, but it really doesn't matter to me because I have mine in my gym. But I'm more concerned with the airflow, and that is doing well. You see how it's blowing that plastic really hard on the highest setting. I like it. Pretty good. Easy to mount as well.
Well, I'm recording already, so we can just cut this part out.
Yeah. That stops it from oscillating.
Okay. It's the timer that you can't use even though there's a button, and it's not making the clicking sound. It might have just been the angle.
Just, no, don't. On. You don't see the big on button at the bottom?
I was clicking off.
Wow, look how cool.
cute.